Hi, my name is Tyler. Today's date is October 31st, 2023, and I'm filming this video for Sitek Process Solutions. Since our videos are uploaded to the web and we want to keep our customers' privacy, I will provide a location and PO number to identify the tool. Our customer is located in the US and their PO number is R-185449. Today, we're going to be reviewing a fully refurbished 2300S. I'll get the tool started and then I'll describe our refurbishment process. So when we go up to the tool, we can see that it is already loaded with our cassette and substrates. Easy in and out. To begin the cycle, we're going to press the start button. So for this cycle, we're going to be running a typical spin, rinse, dryer process. It'll start by rinsing the substrate to get any unwanted particles off. It's going to be then followed by a purge, a setting to dispose of any excess water in the lines and getting any DI out of the line. Next, the SRD is going to move into dry 1. This is where we're going to run at a much higher RPM for a shorter amount of time, using centrifugal force to remove the water from the substrate. Finally, we're going to move into dry 2, where we're going to slow the RPM down and spin for a little bit longer time. During this cycle, the heat will engage, drying the substrates from any remaining water that might still be on them. Every SRD refurbished by Sitek goes through the same extensive refurb process. First, we're going to take a tool and break it down to the component level. Here, we individually test all components for function and chemically clean and electropolish all metal parts. We will also inspect all the poly housing during this time if the customer sends it in, and replace anything that is necessary. Once all parts have been prepped, the SRD is going to be moved to our dry quality control. In our dry quality control, the single SRD heads are built up and inspected prior to having any facilities actually installed into them. If the tool passes a dry quality control, we're going to move it to our wet quality control, where the SRD will have facilities installed and be tested for full functionality. As you can see, we have a few other SRDs that are currently in wet control right now. And just like the tool we have here, sometimes our customers will send in their SRD head without the poly, in which case we're just going to run just the housing and send it back to them exactly like this. Lastly, we run each head assembly 50 times with varying process recipes to ensure the SRD is ready for a plug-and-play installation in your fab. So right now we're currently in dry 2. So this is where we're running the SRD with the heat engaged. It's running for a little bit longer time at a slower RPM. We're currently staying around the 500 RPMs right now, and we have about 200 seconds left of this dry quality control. Something about the 2300 models is that they actually use about 75% more nitrogen than the other SRD models that are smaller. This is due to having 2 heater blankets, 2 N2 heater cartridges, and more circumference that the SRD has on the inside to heat up. In addition to SRD refurbishments, Sitek also offers 100% of spare parts and service to support our units. This means that we stock every part and can perform every repair required to keep your SRDs up and running. This includes, but is not limited to, motors and motor repairs, controller and controller repairs, amp and amp repairs, windows, door seals, heater blankets, N2 heaters, solenoid valves, ACR valves, tach sensors, rotor stop positioners, and pretty much any other part or service that you would need for your SRD, Sitek offers it. Sitek is also looking for ways we can improve the SRD in different ways to help support our customers. We've actually developed our own state-of-the-art S1 slick device controller. If you'd like any more information on that, it is a plug-and-play controller. Please reach out to us at sales@sitekprocess.com, and we'd be more than happy to help share with you some information. We're going into the last 100 seconds of our dry sequence right now. Aside from SRDs, here at Sitek, we also provide a variety of other equipment to front-end wafer fabs. This includes box washers, mask cleaners, photoresist pumps, metrology tools, and barely ashers and etchers as well. Really, anything you need for your front-end wafer fab, Sitek is here to help you out. We have about 1 minute left of our dry process. Towards the end of this cycle, you're going to watch as the rotor ramps down, but the process will not be done quite yet. We wait until the rotor uprights before trying to open the door. For these last 40 seconds, I'm just going to kind of let it run out. So we're still hovering around that 500 RPM mark that we started the dry 2 process in. As we get to the last 10 seconds here of our dry 2 cycle and our full SRD process cycle, those RPMs will slowly start to drop. The RPMs, as you can see, are dropping rapidly right now. And we're going to wait again until we hear this click, signifying that the rotor is upright and locked into position. Perfect. Our process is complete. So if we open the door, we can feel the hot N2 air blowing out. And we can see that our cassette, as well as our substrates, are fully dry, as well as have some warmth to them. So we've successfully ran a process run on this SRD. It is ready to ship to our customer. If you have any questions about anything you've seen today, please contact us at sales@sitekprocess.com or at 916-975-2000, and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.